Hello guys and welcome to Manual Education. So this is an important update for all the MBA CET aspirant for the year 2023. Guys, if you visit the official website CET Cell and you click on this, click on the CAP portal, you can see over here there's a new blink in front of the MBA portal. Click on this. So here you can see guys, admission notice number 2. Click on this. So this update is officially released by the CET Cell and it says that admission notice for MBA MMS for academic year 2023-24, and if you scroll down further, online registration of application and uploading of required documents by the candidates for admission on website. Now this is for the Maharashtra state, All India or OMS, NRI, OCI, PIO, CIWGC, FN candidates, registration for Union Territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Union Territories of Ladakh migrant candidates. So guys, one thing you have to notice over here, today was the last date for your registration and now the registration date has been extended. It was started on the 28th of June and it has now been postponed to 14th of July up to 5 p.m. To all the candidates, those who haven't registered themselves, now is the golden opportunity for you all. You still have 7 days in your hands for your registration for the MBA CET. If you haven't, this is the golden time. You cannot let it go. If you scroll down further, then the document verification and confirmation of application form for admission by online mode by Maharashtra state all India candidates shall fill online, and the last date is 15th of July up to 5 p.m. So guys, your date has been extended. Share this video to all your friends, those who couldn't fill the form earlier. Now it's the golden opportunity for them to fill up their form till 14th of July up to 5 p.m. So this was the quick update from my side guys, and to receive all these kind of quick updates and notifications, please subscribe to Manual MBA Entrance, where you get all the latest updates and notifications on the go. So that's pretty much it for the video guys. Until then, see you in the next one.